How to add a signature in Outlook? I'll show you how. If this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You'll start by clicking on your profile picture up here. Click it. Once you've clicked, scroll down and go to this gear icon down here and click it. Look, you'll be taken to this page. Notice that right at the beginning, you'll find the signature option. Click it. The accounts you have will be shown there. And in this case, you can simply click on the account where you want to add the signature in Outlook. For example, I want to change the signature for this account here. So I click erase here. I can erase it. You erase it there and type in whatever signature you want. Ideally, it should be a short name, okay? Something easy to remember, but you can add a link if you want. You can put any information you want there, okay? In this case here, I'm going to enter the name of the channel. I'll type it in. I've typed the name of the channel, and once you're done typing, you simply click up here to save your signature. I'm going to click done, signature saved successfully. If I leave here now, guys, I'm going to exit here, and if I come back again and click on signature, you'll see that the signature was saved, okay? I'm going to click. Notice that the signature you configured will be displayed there, okay? The one below comes with the Signa. The account below, since I didn't configure it, has the default signature that comes with Outlook, okay? So that's how you add a signature in Outlook. I hope I was able to help. If I helped you, subscribe to the channel.